What's up guys, so in today's video I got this 2019 KX250f off marketplace and I'm about to clean it up, flip it, and make some profit. And as you already know, I'm gonna go over how much I paid for the bike, the cost of the parts, and the total profit. So I happened to stumble up on this 2019 on marketplace. He had it listed at 4.5 but he dropped it down to 4, asking me if we could do 3.1. We had a little back and forth, but then we eventually agreed on 3.1. We met up at this police station and I test rode it. I wish I could test ride it a little bit longer, but at the police station I was kind of scared, so I was like, yeah, let me not push it too hard, especially because I'm right there on the road. So I just went up the street, came back down, and yeah, everything checked out. So I started loading up the bike. Forgot my straps, so I had to go buy new straps. So yeah, then we on our way back home now, and yeah, that's me pulling in.
All right, so we made it home and I got the bike in person. Let me tell you, this is my second flip so far, and this bike is really freaking clean, bro. Like there's literally nothing on this bike that like makes it look dirty, you know what I'm saying? Only thing I need to do also is just maybe like shine the plastics up a little bit, maybe get rid of this. I can see like some sticker marks right there, maybe get rid of that, clean the engine out a little bit just to make it look presentable. But otherwise, I'm not, if you get up close, that's the only like stuff you're gonna see. But bro, clean. So yeah, I'm about to get some of this stuff done, and yeah, let's go.
So first thing I gotta do is make sure it's clean. I took it on the trail, so it got a little bit dirty, but not too much. So just about to clean it off.
And now the bike is all cleaned up. I might have to get the blower and blow all those dead freaking grass off and all that. But yeah, I did an oil change on it yesterday. Make sure the coolant is good. Chain looks pretty good. I just need to lube it back up because I just washed it. And I just need to like to shine the plastics and then shine the tires up. Should be straight. Now we're about to clean the chain up. Now we're about to lube this bad boy up. So let's go. No, this is not the ideal way to do it, but I need to get me a dirt bike stand. So once I get that, I turn the bike on and then let it roll and then I'll spray it. So don't come at me. I know that's not the ideal way to do it. I want to try and get this out. I don't know if I can, but I got some goo gone, so I could probably try that real quick. Oh yeah, that shit is working. And now we got most of it out. I think it looks pretty good. So now we're gonna move on to here. I can see like there was some like stickers right here and they pulled it off, so I'm gonna try to get rid of that. And I got it as clean as I could. That top part right there, the Scotch Brite would not get it out. So yeah, only need to get up close, you see it, but otherwise than that, I think the bike is good. Now I put some SC1 on there, make the plastics pop. Put on some tire shine, make the tires look real nice, and then yeah, should be ready to go. Don't have SC1, so I'm gonna use a KX3 plastic restorer. It's the same thing. And now we got done with the bike and it's looking way better. It looks still the same, really. Honestly, all I did was just make it look a little bit shinier. That's it. Looks the same just like when I just got it the other day. So now we're about to post some pictures up on Marketplace and get it listed. I'm gonna post it for 4.5, 4.6, 4.5 and have people bring me down to like 4.2, 4 grand flat. I got the bike for 3,000, so yeah, that's gonna make me like $1,000 profit. So yeah, I'm about to post it up real quick. Let's get some photos taken and then let's go post it up. So yeah, let's go. So I posted the listing up, and I posted it 4 days ago, but I'm just updating the video now. But these are all the photos I took. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I added like a video right here so people can like hear the cold start. And yeah, and now we about to meet someone today. Someone coming out to look at it. So yeah, hopefully it goes good and hopefully we sell it.
Still riding, but one is running on track, and my KX. Sorry about that.
Yeah, sure. I left the code for you so you can.
I appreciate that.
Yes, sir.
And just like that, we sold the bike. The bike is officially sold. We got the cash right here. The guy just came out, he just left. So now I'm gonna cover the cost breakdown of everything, and I paid $140 for both U-Haul, for gas, and oil for the bike. I paid $3,100 for the bike itself, and I listed and sold the bike for $4,200, leaving me with a profit of $960. And this was probably one of the quickest flips I ever did. This is my second flip so far. This one was really quick. I just posted it like 3 days ago, and it's already sold. I was kind of nervous though because of the pricing. I priced it at $4,600. No one wasn't really interested. Nobody wasn't really texting me compared to the first Honda CRF that I posted. But then this guy came out and said that he wanted it really bad, so sold it just like that. And yeah, this is my second flip, so now we're about to go look for another one. If y'all enjoyed that video, make sure to hit that like, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and let's go. I'm gonna start doing more flips, so yeah, let's go.